So what IDE should you use? Well, in this course, I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code. And I'd highly recommend using Visual Studio Code because it's easy to use and it's perfect for Python. But if you have any IDE that you used to use, then use it and don't use Visual Studio Code. The most important thing is that you use an IDE or text editor that you feel comfortable coding with. But if your decision is to use Visual Studio Code, then you need to head on over to code.visualstudio.com and then you will be able to download Visual Studio Code. If you are using Mac, you need here to select to click here on download Mac, the stable version, and then you can install it on your Mac exactly as if you are installing any program on your Mac. If you are a Windows user, just select Windows and download the Windows version. And by the way, it's gonna here say download for Mac it's gonna say here download for Windows if you are using Windows. So this is my recommendation. And again, if you have another IDE that you wish to use, go ahead and use it.